Okay, so if we're graphing this thing, we're going to put in -1, and this part turns into a half. I agree, keep going.
So is it 3 and 1/2?
Yes, if you add 3 to 1/2, it's 3 and 1/2, 3.5. So -1 gave us 3.5. Nolan, when you put in a 0 right here, what do you get for this part?
1,
Plus 3?
4.
0, 4. Michaela, we're putting in a 1 right here. What's 2 to the 1?
2.
Plus the 3. 1, 5. All right, so I hope it isn't too hard to see where these points come from. You just graph these. And you can see, oh wait, let's do 2. Daniel B, I'm putting in a 2 right here. What's 2 to the second?
4.
4 plus 3?
7.
7. So 2, 7. So look at that. All my dots just kind of line up nicely on that line. And that's how you graph these. All right. So I'm giving you a super easy day. We just did 1A. All you have to do is 1C and 2A. Then you're done with the worksheet. It's short. You're doing 1A, 1C, and 2A. And then that Schoology quiz, if you haven't already finished it up, get that finished up. And then that's a very doable assignment. If I keep on making them doable, you should keep on doing them. Okay, so today was just a review pretty much of yesterday. The problems just get a little tougher. The only other thing I want to mention is that when this number here is less than 1, like if I had made this 1/2, then that's called decay. And that's the other big thing that I wanted to mention on our really short video for today. That's all I got for you for today.